Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're not just talking about gut health. We're on a mission to make your stomach the happiest place on earth. So, buckle up for some gut wisdom that's tastier than your favorite smoothie. Gut health is a crucial aspect of overall well-being, and there are several vital facts associated with it. Here's a list of key information about gut health. Microbiome composition. The gut is home to a complex community of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes. This collection of microorganisms is collectively known as the gut microbiome. Your gut health impacts on mental health, immune system, metabolism, and weight, and can be a factor in chronic diseases. Now, let's unravel the secrets of a happy, healthy gut, your body's very own VIP party where good vibes and good bacteria rule the dance floor. Tip 5. Fiber feast. Elevate your gut game. Now, why should you be all about fiber? Well, it's not just about adding it to your diet, it's like giving your digestive system a superhero cape. We're not just talking veggies and fruits, we're talking about a fiber-packed extravaganza that leaves your gut feeling like a digestive champion. Let's break it down. Veggies and fruits are not just side dishes, they are the main event in the fiber feast. When you munch on that apple or crunch on those carrots, it's like hosting a superhero summit right in your gut. Imagine your gut as the superhero headquarters, equipped with all the fiber power it needs. It's like inviting a bunch of enthusiastic cleaners to the digestive party. They grab the junk, make everything sparkle, and ensure your gut operates like a well-oiled machine. So, make it a habit. Sprinkle some berries on your morning yogurt, throw in some broccoli with your dinner, and let the fiber feast begin. Tip 4. Probiotics unleashed. Rock your gut harmony. All right, gut health enthusiasts. We've just wrapped up our fiber fiesta, and now it's time to shift gears. We've treated our digestive system to a superhero feast, and now let's rock it up a notch. Brace yourself for tip number 2. Probiotics unleashed. Rock your gut harmony. Why should you care about probiotics? Well, they're not just gut-friendly bacteria. They're the rock stars of your digestive concert. We're not merely talking about yogurt and kefir. We're inviting the whole entourage to keep your gut in perfect harmony. Let's spotlight these gut rock stars. Probiotics. Picture yogurt as the lead singer, kefir as the drummer, and fermented foods as the backup dancers. Together, they form a gut harmony that's nothing short of a chart-topping hit. It's not just about consuming probiotics. It's about inviting these rock stars into your daily playlist. A spoonful of yogurt here, a sip of kefir there, and suddenly your gut is headlining the charts. They bring balance to your gut microbiome, ensuring a fantastic performance every time. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Gut happy. All right, gut health enthusiasts, we've just cranked up the volume with our probiotic rock stars. Now, let's ease into the next groove, but we're not slowing down. We're just shifting the rhythm. It's time to trade in the concert vibes for something a bit more laid back and refreshing. So, grab your metaphorical beach chair because tip number 3 is like giving your gut a day at the spa. Get ready for a sip of wellness with Stay Hydrated Gut Happy. Now, why is hydration crucial for your gut? Well, think of it as giving your digestive system a spa retreat. Hydration is like the cool breeze by the beach. It keeps things flowing smoothly and ensures your gut stays as relaxed as someone in a hammock with a good book. Let's talk about the unsung hero in gut health. Water. It's not just about drinking water. It's about giving your gut a refreshing spa day. Adequate hydration keeps things moving, just like a lazy river on a sunny day. So, sip that water and let your gut feel the chill vibes. Imagine your gut saying, "Ah, this is life," when you stay hydrated. It's like giving your digestive system a tropical vacation. So grab that water bottle and let's keep your gut in the relaxation zone. Your gut will thank you with a contented sigh. Tip 2, mindful munching. Chew your food, feel the good. So we've pampered our gut with probiotics and refreshed it like a spa day, but our journey doesn't stop there. It's time to chew on something essential. And no, it's not just your favorite snack. Get ready for tip number 2, where we'll unravel the importance of mindful munching with Chew Your Food, Feel the Good. Now, why should you care about chewing your food mindfully? Well, it's not just about the act itself. It's like giving your gut a slow dance instead of a rushed tango. We're talking about making your gut the VIP guest at a gourmet dinner rather than a drive-through experience. Let's get down to the basics. Chewing. It's not a race, it's a culinary celebration. When you savor each bite, it's like a love letter to your gut. So, put away the fast food mentality, and let's embrace the art of mindful munching. Picture your gut smiling with each chew. That's the magic of mindful munching. It's like turning a regular meal into a gastronomic masterpiece, and your gut is the main art critic. Slow down, taste the flavors, and let your gut revel in the symphony of textures. Tip 1. Stress less, digest more. We've danced through a gut rock concert, relaxed at a spa, and savored each bite like a culinary masterpiece. Now, let's wrap up our gut health journey with the grand finale. Tip number 5. Imagine this as the fireworks display, the cherry on top and the ultimate secret sauce for gut happiness. Get ready for stress less, digest more. Why stress less for the sake of your gut? Well, think of stress as that uninvited party crasher at your gut's VIP soiree. Kicking stress to the curb is like ensuring your gut enjoys the party without any disruptions. Stress management is not just a life hack, it's a gut health game changer. Whether it's yoga, a good book, or a cat video marathon, find your stress-busting groove. Your gut will thank you with a serene, digestion-friendly environment. Imagine your gut as a serene retreat, free from the chaos of stress. It's like turning your digestive system into a Zen garden. So, take a deep breath, let go of the stress baggage, and let your gut enjoy the calm vibes. Hey there, health enthusiasts, we've embarked on a journey to transform your stomach into the happiest place on earth, full of gut wisdom and vitality. From fiber feasts to probiotic rock concerts, spa-like hydration, mindful munching, and stress-free gut retreats, we've uncovered the secrets to a happy, healthy gut. If you've enjoyed the gut-tastic insights today, don't forget to hit that like button, leave us a comment with your thoughts, and, of course, subscribe for more engaging content. Your gut will thank you, and so will we. Keep that stomach smiling. Stay tuned for more gut-loving tips. And until next time, take care.
Dirty, dirty. Know I'm clean, how I'm coming, I can't show no mercy. Know what I mean, know what I need.